Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. We all know that managing examination is one of the most critical and often stressful responsibilities in education. Today, I want to introduce to you a solution born out of a desire to make our life easier. It is called the EUPP LTA, a digital command center designed to completely transform the future of examination management. Let's explore how we are enhancing operational efficiency and making the document control a seamless experience. For too long, we have relied on fragmented physical platform, manual paper trails that get lost, administrative bottlenecks that cause unnecessary stress. We've all been there. Our goal was operational excellence. We wanted to build a system that worked for us, not against us. So we built an integrated digital ecosystem using the tools we already trust, the Google Workspace. The result? A centralized portal that strengthened the document control and achieved sustainable and paperless operation. Let's be honest about the challenges we face. Physically, routing exam paper is incredibly risky. Papers can be misplaced, damaged, or worse, leak. And what about version control? Fragmented spreadsheets leads to everyone having a different version of the truth. We had monitoring blind spots where management simply couldn't see the status of the finalized paper. Most importantly, it was draining our staff. We were spending excessive reactive hours just auditing logbook and chasing down submissions. Our educator deserve better than this. We didn't solve this overnight. We evolved. In phase 1, we moved to Google Drive. It solved our storage issue but lacked automated tracking. It was still a heavy manual burden. In phase 2, we tried a Canva portal. It looked great, but it was just a read-only directory. We couldn't process the submission. And finally, we created the current EUPP LTA, an integrated interactive web application that internalized the entire workflow. It logged actions, process upload, and update status automatically. A true closed-loop system. So, what exactly is the core of the system? First, it's an integrated workflow. We've replaced the untraceable physical handover with a streamlined digital pipeline. Second, we provide a structured dashboard. Think of them as a quick access academic cards to your calendar and stats. Third, it serves as a comprehensive repository for all of our institutional guidelines and grading rubrics. And finally, real-time broadcasts. We can instantly push critical updates and deadlines to everyone. No one gets left in the dark. Behind the scene, we built a powerful automated engine. From the moment a lecturer clicks upload in the user interface, Google Apps Scripts takes over. It automatically routes the file to the Google Drive, instantly generating specific folder based on the session and course code with standardized naming. Simultaneously, it updates our Google Sheets database with a timestamp and status, which then feeds back right to our real-time dashboard. The technology handles the heavy lifting, so you don't have to. We've broken down examination document management into 5 seamless phases. Phase number 1, administrators set the parameter and push instructions. In phase 2, lecturers access the standardized guideline directly from the portal. And in phase 3, secure and digital submission completely replacing the physical handover. In phase 4, live monitoring allowing management to see bottleneck instantly. And lastly, phase 5, analytic and archiving. Everything is securely logged and ready for seamless MQA audits. Peace of mind at every step. Let's take a look at the dashboard. I want you to notice the visual clarity. At the top, we have macro visibility. Top-level counter cards giving you an instant snapshot of submitted versus pending documents. No more manual counting. Below that, we have live progress bar tracking institutional compliance. And down at the micro level, a color-coded status ledger, we can instantly see exactly courses or departments are pending. It's transparent, it's fair, and it's immediate. When it comes to time to submit, we have made it foolproof. We provide a pre-populated drop-downs for session and course code to prevent any data entry errors. There are dual dedicated upload channels, one strictly for the question draft and another one is for the marking scheme. And here is the best part, closed-loop integrity. Once you click Hantar or Submit, those files are securely logged into the database. This protects the version control, completely prevents external tampering. The impact of this transformation is something that we can measure. Before, submission is scattered across WhatsApp, email, and physical drive. Now, it's a single centralized platform. Before, manual sorting and inconsistent file naming caused headaches. Now, the system automatically creates folders and standardized names. We move to the spreadsheet checking to the real-time dashboard. Ultimately, we transition from a moderate to high-risk environment of missing documents to a minimal risk with a complete digital audit trail. What does this mean to our institution? It means time optimization, freeing our administrative staff from tedious tracking so they can be more proactive and not reactive. It means reinforced integrity, eliminating the critical risk of loss or leaked paper. Streamlined auditing also can be achieved through saving weeks of manual retrieval during MQA accreditation review. And most importantly, it means sustainable operation. By moving away from the paper, we are cutting costs and actively supporting our Green Campus sustainability goals. But we aren't stopping here. We are already looking forward to the next generation of academic innovation. We are developing automated alerts, push notification, and SMS to remind faculties of the deadline. We are working on the built-in grading modules for external moderator and to EndNote digitally. In the future, we are exploring AI, smart algorithm to scan draft for formatting compliance and predicts bottlenecks. And lastly, we are developing a dedicated mobile application for seamless on-the-go access in the future. In closing, EUPP LTA has successfully resolved deeply rooted manual bottlenecks. We haven't just created a digital directory, we have redefined the academic assessment. This is a secure, scalable, and sustainable blueprint for digital transformation in TVET institution. It ensures our examination units operate with maximum efficiency and absolute precision, allowing our educators to focus on what truly matters, teaching and empowering our students. Now, let me take you for a tour around our system. That's all from us. I would like to say thank you to our panel and participants for your time and effort. Stay safe, everyone. Goodbye.